Welcome RM Tech Network Consultants. In our first video, we learn how to install and set up Channel 3 and iOS images for Fortigate, Cisco routers, and iOS Layer 2 switch, and also Terratem for web browser. But in this video, we will learn for initial configuration for Fortigate using Channel 3. Okay, let's start. We'll drag and drop Fortigate. Firstly, we will create a project. Click a new blank project and rename Fortigate Project 1. Okay, and we'll drag Fortigate, then click Start Console. Okay, if I give you some explanation about Fortigate, Fortigate Firewall Port 1 is typically the default internal interface used for management and local area network LAN connectivity. And key information about Port 1 default configuration. Port type Port 1 is usually configured as a physical interface for LAN connectivity. Default IP address. The default IP address for Port 1 is often set up 192.168 192.168.1.99, and subnet mask is the default mask 255.255.255.0 management access. Port 1 is used for management access to FortiGate device. You can access the web-based interface or console through this port. And interface settings. Administrative access. By default, administrative access is allowed via HTTPS, HTTP, and ping on port 1. DHCP client port 1 can be configured to obtain an IP address dynamically using DHCP and if you need it. And it is common to change the default IP address of port 1 to fit your network architecture. Make sure to update any management access setting accordingly security policy. Port 1 can be involved with security policy that allow restrict traffic between the internal network and other interfaces, example WAN, monitoring and logging. Okay, to start it, and also we'll make an user and administration. Okay, first we will make the initial configuration for the Fortigate firewall. Okay, it's starting. System is starting. It takes a couple minutes. Okay. Admin, then enter. This is a blank password. You make enter. Now new enter the new password and then retype the new password. Okay. Then you will start the initial configuration. Config system global set hosting Fortigate and then you will write config system interface. You will edit port 1 and set mode static. Okay, set IP 192.168 1.1.99/24 set allow access. We will allow for ping and also HTTP and also SSH, and we will make a set rule LAN and set alias LAN1, then end. Now we finish for the configuration, the initial setup for the Fortigate. So in our next step, we will drag the Terratem, web Terratem as a web browser. Okay, then click, then connect port 1 to the web browser. This one is a user administration, and this one is the Fortigate. Okay, then click and then edit. Okay, edit. Okay, I will return. Go to the web Terratem, right click and then edit config, make uncomment, and also if interface, and also address, and also net mask, and also gateway. So first change into 1 to 2, and this one is the gateway for the firewall, IP address 1.99, and then you will make a save. Okay, then you will start. Okay, this one is a port 1. Okay, then double click in the web tab browser. Okay, then write in the URL of the web browser the IP address of this Fortigate, and the web and the default gateway Fortigate, it was 192.168.1.99. Perfect. Okay, then you will write your password, username and password, and my username was admin and the password. Then login, then click save, then begin letter, then you will select comprehensive, set default dashboards as well as all monitors and FortiFuse. This set will be familiar to users coming from a previous FortiIS version. You will click OK. Then you will don't show again, and then you will click OK. Okay, you will come system setting. This one is a host name we did before, the Fortigate CMD or CLI. Okay, and this one is and then you will come network interfaces. This one is the line one we did before, the command line for Fortigate. Okay, click and then edit. This one is a alias LAN 1. The role is a LAN. This one is the HTTP we make or we did before the command line for the Fortigate and also SSH. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, now we finish in our video. Thank you very much, and please subscribe and share, and we will see you in the next class.